Hey, in this video I will show everything that is already done in our project. The most basic thing is position transfer. To do this, we use interpolation and prediction, moving the player a little further from where he should be. Another basic thing is animations. Just like in the previous case, we use interpolation for the smoothest animation transition. System of interactivity. You can interact with many objects in the game, but each of them reacts to it differently. The door is open, the elevator lifts, and so on. Authorization system. To log into the game, you must register. This is done in order to save player IDs and keep them static from session to session. This system also stores user data, coins, items, characteristics, etc. The ownership system is still a rather controversial feature. Now, it does not have a specific goal, but it works like this. If no one owns the item, you can take the rights to it by yourself by assigning it. This item will remain yours even after you re-enter the game, for which we needed a static ID. For example, if I take over a wolf, then after leaving the game, he will wait for me when I left him, and when I return, it will continue to run after me. Now, we also have a base for the system of changing things. For example, you will be able to change your character's clothes. It's not ready yet, but we are hardly working on it. Moreover, players will have the opportunity to build something of their own on empty territories. It can be absolutely anything. We only give tools and assets: walls, doors, windows, props, etc. Now, this is also a rather crude feature, but the most difficult part of it is already done. Our most recent development is voice chat. It turned out to be both complex and simple. At the moment, it works great. Using standard 3D audio in the unit, it turned out to be more realistic. If the player is too far away from you, you simply will not hear him.
Hi, do you hear me?
Hello. Yes, I hear you perfectly.
Okay, and what about now? La 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 la.
Not so loudly, but I can hear.
Nice, thanks.
Now, let's talk a little bit about the server side of the project. The architecture of the server and client was invented by me. For their development, I used Light Netlib and Message Pack C#. If you arrange a small stress test on the server, you can see that 10K network objects take up about 17 MB of RAM. The client also hangs while creating objects, but this is not due to data transfer. The very creation of so many objects inside the engine is a very resource-intensive task. Considering that we can also change the type of message, protocol UDP, we can send messages with the ability to lose them and without this ability as well, making animations and position not guaranteed to be connected. So we can win even more in performance. But now it is not necessary actually. To sum up, we have a very good base for the further development of MMOs. So, thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.